Ladies, are you ready to get this bounce back? Can you give me a shake? Bounce. There's no filter. Let me show you how we did this. I'm using Flo-etry. I want to show you how I get the maximum benefit of how we use this product. The ribboning technique is key here. Paired with this product, you're going to get maximum results. We're going to take 3 to 4 pumps. We're going to work this from roots to ends, taking the palms of my hand, making sure that everything is all the way through, using your claws, making sure that you can see through the hair with maximum tension. Have maximum tension. This is full control here. Let me show you the way, girls. Can you see it? Do you love it? Look at how hydrated, frizz-free these curls are looking. And they're happy. One of the key components to really giving yourself a defined curl is diffusing it. I'm gonna start on the cool setting. The cool setting is really gonna lock that moisture in. 60 to 120 seconds, it's just like your face. If you flash your face with cold water, it's gonna seal down your cuticle, it's gonna lock in the moisture and get you ready for your next product. This is freeform curls. This is naked technology. This is out with the old and in with the new. Bouncy, billowy curl. Here we are, naked technology from Curl Wow.